Imagine cruising down an endless highway, the sun glinting off the sleek metallic curves of the Ferrari Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of speed, luxury, and engineering mastery all rolled into one. As you approach, the first thing you notice is its aerodynamic design. Every curve, every line is meticulously crafted to slice through the air while giving off that unmistakable Ferrari vibe. It's a motorhome that doesn't just move, it glides. Step inside, and the cabin transforms into a private luxury lounge. Plush Italian leather seats hug you as if designed just for your comfort, while ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, turning even the most mundane drive into an experience worthy of a five-star hotel. The dashboard is pure Ferrari, a blend of digital precision and tactile perfection, giving you full control of both the engine's power and your onboard entertainment systems. From integrated touchscreens to high-fidelity audio that makes every road trip feel like a live concert, nothing is left to imagination. The kitchen is another world of sophistication. Countertops crafted from exotic woods and polished metals, appliances designed not just for utility but for style, and storage spaces that magically hide away everything you don't want to see. Imagine whipping up a gourmet meal while the scenery outside races by, rolling hills, ocean views, or city skylines, all visible through panoramic windows that make the entire cabin feel open and airy. Sleeping quarters? A dream. Ultra-soft memory foam beds, custom linens, and climate control systems that adjust to your exact preference. Even your privacy is luxury. Sliding partitions and soundproofing ensure that rest is uninterrupted no matter where your Ferrari motorhome takes you. And because Ferrari understands the thrill of the drive, the engineering under the hood guarantees a ride that's smooth yet exhilarating, whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising down straightaways. Every component, engine, suspension, chassis, is optimized to deliver the perfect balance of power, safety, and comfort. By the time you're rolling into your next destination, people aren't just noticing you, they're admiring, captivated by a mobile icon of elegance and performance. The Ferrari Motorhome isn't just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle, an ultimate blend of automotive excellence and luxury living. For those who experience it, even a short drive becomes unforgettable.
Picture rolling up in the Bugatti Motorhome, a masterpiece that takes luxury and performance to an entirely new level. From the moment you see its sleek, futuristic exterior, you know this isn't just any motorhome. The body is sculpted with precision curves, inspired by Bugatti's legendary hypercars, giving it a presence that's impossible to ignore. Every line, every edge reflects speed, even when it's standing still, demanding attention on every street and highway. Step inside, and the interior is a sanctuary of opulence. Rich, handcrafted materials line every surface, buttery leather seats, polished carbon fiber accents, and hand-finished aluminum trims. The cabin feels less like a motorhome and more like a mobile palace, where technology meets artistry. High-definition touchscreens control everything from lighting to climate, and integrated entertainment systems ensure that whether you're driving through mountains or coastlines, your journey is as thrilling as your destination. The kitchen is a marvel of modern design, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances hidden seamlessly within sleek cabinetry. Countertops glisten with high-end stone finishes, and every gadget is ergonomically placed for efficiency and style. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal on the road, surrounded by panoramic windows that frame the world outside, an ever-changing art gallery of landscapes, all visible without leaving the comfort of your motorhome. Sleeping areas redefine comfort. King-sized beds with memory foam mattresses, climate-controlled bedding, and subtle ambient lighting create an atmosphere that invites relaxation. Soundproofing ensures that even in bustling cities or windy highways, your rest remains uninterrupted. Every detail is meticulously designed to make the occupant feel pampered and insulated from the outside world. The Bugatti Motorhome doesn't just shine inside, it dominates the road. Its engineered suspension and high-performance drivetrain allow smooth handling, precise cornering, and effortless cruising, combining hypercar performance with motorhome practicality. This is more than travel. It's an experience where speed, elegance, and luxury coexist in perfect harmony. By the time you arrive at your next destination, you're not just driving a motorhome, you're commanding a moving masterpiece that people can't help but admire, a symbol of prestige and uncompromising style.
Imagine the road stretching out ahead, but now it's time for something iconic, the Ford Motorhome. This isn't just about speed or flashy design, it's about classic American durability combined with next-level luxury. From the outside, the bold lines and powerful stance announce a presence that says, "This is built to go anywhere in style." Its exterior blends modern aerodynamics with rugged charm, making it perfect for both open highways and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Step inside, and the transformation is astonishing. The interior is a balance of sophistication and practicality. Premium leather seats, wood-trimmed panels, and brushed steel accents create an inviting, elegant space that feels like a home on wheels. Every control is within reach, from climate settings to multimedia systems, giving you total command of your journey. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with light, offering sweeping views as you cruise past mountains, coastlines, or bustling city streets. The kitchen is designed for the ultimate road trip gourmet experience. Top-tier appliances, spacious countertops, and clever storage solutions make cooking on the road not just possible, but luxurious. Whether it's a quick breakfast before heading out or a full-course dinner while parked at a scenic overlook, this space is built to impress. Sleeping quarters elevate comfort to a new level. Memory foam mattresses, soft linens, and carefully controlled lighting create a sanctuary where rest is guaranteed. Soundproofing and climate control ensure that every night is peaceful, no matter where the Ford Motorhome takes you. And clever design elements like hidden storage, adjustable seating, and multifunctional furniture maximize space without sacrificing style or comfort. On the road, this motorhome proves it's more than just looks. The engineered suspension, reliable drivetrain, and smooth handling ensure every mile is effortless. Whether you're cruising highways, climbing hills, or taking a detour through winding country roads, the Ford Motorhome handles it all with confidence and grace. By the time you arrive at your destination, you're not just in a vehicle, you're experiencing American engineering at its finest, wrapped in luxury and comfort. Imagine stepping into the future of travel with this futuristic, ultra-luxury motorhome. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek, aerodynamic panels, hidden LED accents, and a design so cutting-edge it seems to hover rather than roll. Every curve, every edge is engineered not only for performance, but to make a visual statement. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving piece of art. Step inside, and the cabin feels like entering a high-tech sanctuary. Advanced AI-controlled systems adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment based on your preferences. Seats mold perfectly to your body, with memory settings that anticipate your comfort. The interior design blends minimalist elegance with futuristic flair, clean lines, smart materials, and holographic displays that provide everything from navigation to immersive media experiences. This is travel reimagined. The kitchen is a marvel of innovation. Appliances are built into the cabinetry seamlessly, touch-controlled surfaces make cooking effortless, and smart storage adapts to whatever you need. You can prepare a gourmet meal while the scenery outside shifts dramatically. Mountains, oceans, or city skylines, all visible through enormous panoramic windows that wrap around the cabin, giving you the sensation of floating through your environment. Sleeping quarters are a dream of tomorrow. Beds adjust automatically for perfect posture and temperature, while soundproofing and mood lighting ensure you rest in complete serenity. Even privacy is enhanced with retractable partitions and smart glass that can turn opaque at a touch. Every inch of the space is optimized for comfort, convenience, and an unparalleled sense of exclusivity. On the road, this motorhome delivers a driving experience that feels futuristic yet perfectly refined. Advanced suspension systems, electric or hybrid drivetrains, and precision engineering ensure a ride that's smooth, silent, and exhilarating at the same time. Whether you're exploring remote highways or cruising city streets, every mile feels like an adventure designed for the elite. By the time you reach your destination, it's clear. This motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about living the future today. A rolling palace where luxury, innovation, and style converge in perfect harmony. Imagine gliding down the highway in the Rolls-Royce Motorhome, where every inch of the vehicle exudes unmatched elegance and sophistication. From the moment you approach it, the iconic Rolls-Royce grille and signature lines announce a level of prestige few vehicles can match. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving statement of class, craftsmanship, and timeless luxury. Even at a standstill, it commands attention, drawing the eyes of anyone nearby who appreciates refinement at the highest level. Step inside, and the experience is breathtaking. The interior is meticulously handcrafted, combining the finest leathers, rare woods, and polished metals to create a space that feels both majestic and inviting. Every seat is perfectly contoured, offering unrivaled comfort, while ambient lighting sets the mood for an unforgettable journey. Technology is seamlessly integrated. Digital dashboards, voice-controlled systems, and entertainment hubs make sure everything you need is at your fingertips without ever compromising the aesthetics. The kitchen is a masterclass in luxury design, featuring premium appliances, gleaming countertops, and cleverly hidden storage that keeps everything looking pristine. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal as you watch the world glide by through massive panoramic windows. The scenery becomes part of your living room. Every detail, from the faucet finishes to the cabinet handles, is curated to reflect Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence. Sleeping quarters elevate the concept of rest to an entirely new level. Plush, king-sized beds, premium linens, and precise climate control create a cocoon of serenity. Soundproofing ensures peace and quiet even in bustling city streets or windy countryside highways. Privacy features like adjustable partitions and soft lighting make the cabin feel like your personal sanctuary. On the road, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome performs effortlessly. The engineered suspension smooths out bumps like they don't exist, while advanced drivetrain technology ensures a serene and controlled ride. Whether you're navigating tight turns, cruising highways, or parking in a scenic overlook, every moment behind the wheel or relaxing inside is sheer bliss. By the time you reach your destination, it's clear. This isn't just travel, it's an experience reserved for those who demand perfection in every detail. A Rolls-Royce standard that turns even a road trip into a grand adventure.